Ana itumui jara mitmira, kati, malung karing, kajot, jab kangajala, maleilak kacha maji shiman haira. Revelations kabikasang makadaka tuizamati. Rimikabda achu wikamtaya bauping. Manipurli aji na hapok the total shutdown sara kala state in a central government office saikorana gache coordinating committee on Manipur integrity na ngabao haira. Imphal West District Shong Loitang Konowi mi aka shiman kahai wuivang ning kakarik marhaira security force na search operations at dalei. Lekhayangator achi sa Tangkhul Express wipao Ringyaophi Ningshen in apami dalei. Bauping may na nganang romsa. Manipurli ajin hapok the total shutdown sara kala state in a central government office saikorana the coordinating committee on Manipur integrity kokomi na ngabao haira. Pao he kokomi coordinator th somorentro na press kazibli chishatmiya. Tok jom somorentro na kahang kokomi na sarkarli shini thangwi ultimatum kami atam kanuta committee jina rida hang matin haira kasa agitations hapok luyoki gajina. Kokomi na ultimatum kami maramji police station jurisdictions thurugwina Armed Force Special Power Act kuitui kami jiriba mushinawaina national thuruksa kathatli kazang pingli mujut kuida prosecute kasa kala ochot jili kazang armed outfit terrorist group sada declare sa kami he kapona. Somorandro na kahang tarik trata chishatang ruling party gazibli critical issues pinghi resolve sara da ngase kahaina. Kami kahaya atam alongli sarkarna kachanga phaikar tulep makhuichura kachi somorendro na hanga. Poda kleji sarkarna mamirang laka state safeguard sakavai chief minister eina MLA pingna thanda sara kachi CM na hanga haileya kachila somorendro na machansanga. Kokomi we shut down ji emergency medical maram kala worship ping mangli jatng sakra kachi. Imphal West District Shong Loitang Konowi mi aka shiman kahai wuivang ning kakarik marhaira. Ali kutlai kangatan mi pingna dukui kahaira gaji yarina ningmong dalei. Ali takda pakui kavai gabo yarina protest saira security forces na search operation tatale. Bawa tishurda Laishram Kamal Babu Singh Goho Zingum 56 mi hortangator bung chuko shikali o wuivang army colony leimakong shong wa hailaga chiwi eina masam phangranga. Kala Kamal Babu hi 57 Mountain Division leimakong army came li ngalangapei ot kasami na chi. Sing wi mobile phone la switch off eina leye ta hanga. Check my constituency we mi pingna ning kakarik pongshokta Kamal Babu we safe recovery wuivang katak pekar kui mikhavai sarkarli kathong haira. Bawa tishurda mi jili pakui kavai state police in a central forces search operations at dalei. Maram hiling sunda kanto village weshinaw san nala protest salaga Kamal Singli safe sada chuho kami demand sahira. Community kathana pingkala human rights organization pingnala maram wuivang takta yangsang kami ngakaw haira. Kamal Babu we ramnaw ping leimakong shong ali pakavali security forces na kantos sabali kamkui hawa da police na hanga. Chili yarina shongfu ngulungkui ina sakam hawa da hanga. Authorization mazangla yari kazat kam kabai leimakong shongfu barricades sahira da police officer na hanga. Ayang azin PTI pau samga pangati shurda apam chile merabai pi activist pingzangda mi shalak in protest pasai. Militants na tukui kahaira gachi paningda ali kan kavai protest kasana pingchina sarkarli additional forces jiho kami pohaira. Shiman kahaya mi ji atumui pangli mahan ungrang lakai na tangda atum apam jiwi na matui mara jihaira. Maram hi sarkarna thaklak ina yangsang milugachi merabai pi activist kaidem ipadon na hangsanga. Manipur with criminal cases chishat Guwahati with NIA Special Court li mikhavai Supreme Court na maya haira. Unlawful Activist Prevention Act 1967 with azingli katha case ping G NIA Special Court Imphal Willi leikasana. Later khalei Manipur situation hili free and fair trial sagi kachi wuivang macha tuwa the NIA na kahangli Justice JB Bardiwala eina R Mahadevan nala mayada transfer sakavai chizamiya. Karot we proceedings li zangran kahai maleilak eina bails li later khalei accused being Manipur weina Assam khawali kasak leipaya kachi wuivang proceedings chi video conferencing eina zangbaira da Justice Bardiwala na khamayamiya. Tosem SDO office mabungpada function sakavai maramli khamaya leikahai atam ungshunguta phaikar khuikhavai long matina sarkarli kathong haira. Maram wuivang Zime Students Organization Manipur, Tosem Headquarters Students Union, Tosem Area Students Organization kala Tramram Segments Violence na tarik magada pangatang Tamenglong District's Magistrate li sampang hairachi. P tarik 26 thang maya khangrok khuikharawi atam pay uta saran sami khavai long ping Jina District Administration li hanghaira. Tosem SDO office chi designated apamli high kami border office kahong chi rakhara khayon tarik akhali makanda kupsang khavai pohaira. Long ping chi wijan bawa thishurda khayon tarik khani khara tharan SDO office chi Tosem headquarters li mathalak eina ot sahaira sara gachi maya khangrok leya. Atam ret mikahaya lungli saran masamiaka atumna yari mashun nga khavai democratic agitation hapokra gachi hangmatin haira. Manipur regional being we call records saikorali zingkum pangawi high khavai center na telecom operators pingli zizami haira. Ministry of Home Affairs na Department of Telecom li zize khamyathi shurda maram hi telecom operators pingli hanghaira gachi pau sampanga. Call records mashiman ngasa khavai kahangji armed militants ping na Myanmar shongwi extremist pingli khangashik leisalala phashok khavai wuivang nachi. Pau thaka Manipur miping we call detailed records CDR hiji zingum pangawi high khavai zize khamina. Gender-based violence kam khavai #up goi bahana nahi da national campaign launch sahira. Campaign G Ministries of Women and Child Development in Rural Development na UN Women we katom kami zangda makhok kamina. Campaign G aja hontang New Delhi li launch sada angran angi jili Union Ministries for Women and Child Development Annapurna Devi, Union Minister for Rural Development Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Minister of State for Rural Development Kamlesh Paswan kala Dr. Chandra Shekhar Pemasani, Ministers of State for Rural Development and Communication atumla wazang. Minister Annapurna Devi na kahang ab goi bahana nahi kachi campaign ji shinao la diverse gender pingwi mashun ngak mida gender-based discrimination we khangaji maleilak okthui ngasa khawai ningrin eina kasana. Shinao pingli mai kashi khami kala society na nam kashan we eina ngarar shok khawai pangshap khami athumli yan kasai rakashok tharan report sakashap malungzang khami kala khaya kaka eina ngarar shap khawai kasat khami campaign ngasara dahanga. Union Minister for Rural Development Shivraj Singh Chauhan na kahang shinao sanli mapung phata pangshap mira jiaka social political kala katam kashui empowerment miplungki kachina. India we states ngadadai deling soda Manipur sarkar nala constitution te mayon haira. Simiksho juwe angran angi aya Durbar Hall CM Secretariat Babu Barali Kwikada Chief Minister and Biren Singh Lavazanga. Constitution Day Kamyon angran angi ji Manipur we Law and Legislative Affairs Department na makok kamina. Chief Minister na kahang kapanga kamakang ngalei semka kawai Indian Constitution maram thaitang kamay ngasak mass awareness campaign terkar salaka. Kala Indian Constitution ji English we ina maite mayekli kalat kamili shurukhui ka high departments official saikorali CM na mayakangai pungshoka. And Biren Singh na kahang Constitution li kazang values principles kala mashun pingji ngalei hiwi mi pingli thaingasak phalungra. State raisang kawai executive legislative kala judiciary kokak ot kasa terkar saya kaji CM na hanga. Constitution Day Kamyon Jiling Asoda, Qatar Criminals Major X Katumwe, Diglot's Edition, Meeting Mayak Eina Pongmi Haira. Diglot Edition Chief Minister na release Samia. Assam Shong Garbyang Longli Illegal Settlements Khalei Saikoro Takta Kasham Mikhavai Garbi Autonomous Council with Chief Executive Members Tuliram Ronghang na Pohaira. Garbyang Longli Manipur Gugi Wimiping Ayinli Matun Makanda Vakasom Lehaira Chitale. Hawrakadli Land Pada Distribution Wimaram Kazip Kabamli Rohang Nakahang. Gugi meeting ka shika Garbyang Longli Vazangda Shimkur Shapanga Shika Garbi Hills Shong Leha Darkava Lehawa. Illegal settlements ji takta Masai Ngasak Pulungra Gaji Ronghang na Hangsanga. Manipur Tambak District Khalei worshipping Kangaja class Mahapok Fumara. Manipur with Tambak District with states government aided private kala central worshipping Ajetarik Magadashini eina Shungvalira. Shokar with Jishat Kami Malayrang Lakai na Tangda Shungvara Kachi Directors of Education School na Janpao Mishoka. Maram hi Zonal Education Officers ping na Kajajawi jurisdictions li chizik mikhavai hanghaira. Chithada Haida Khalei District Spingli Government Educational Institute Government Aided Colleges Saikorala Ajetarik Mukadashini eina hapokda Jikashat Mashokrang Lakai na Tangda Shungvara Kachi Higher and Technical Education Department na Janpao Mishoka. Ladluida Ajiwi Kamadaya Pauping Manipurli Aji na hapok the total shutdown Sara Kala State in a Central Government Office Saikoro Shungra Gache Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity na Ngabao Haira. Imphal West District Shong Loitang Konowi Mi Aka Shiman Kahai wuivang Ning Kakharik Marhaira Security Force na Search Operation Zatale. Aji Bao He na Jang Haira Bao Nathum Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kala khamhai zimikshong sa serna.